Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I got this Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys try it out. If you want to see how I achieved this, stay tuned. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I went ahead and did one eye already, and we're going to do the other eye together, and then we're going to do our lips together. So the palette that I will be using is the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. This one right here. If you don't have this palette, you could go ahead and just get similar colors. But the colors that I will be using is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. What I can do is actually swatch the colors on the back of my hand really quick so you guys can see what they look like before I put them on. I'm going to do the metallics first. So this is the metallic colors that I'll be using. If you want to get colors that look like this. And now I'm going to show you the brown colors. And this is what the matte browns will look like that I'm using from the palette. If you have any browns that look similar to this one, go ahead and use those. Okay, so the first brown that I'll be using, I'm going to put this brown in my crease and then just blend it in. It will be this one right here. I'm going to be using this brown right here first. If you see me looking down, I'm looking in my mirror. I always gotta use my hand because I barely have eyelids. I'm sure if you have bigger eyelids than mine, then this look will look way better on you than it does on me because you can't really see it when I'm looking straight ahead. Okay, now you want to clean the brush off a little bit because I want to start to blend this color up. But I really don't want product on the brush because I want it to fade into like my natural skin. Okay, we're going to end up going back into that brown, but for now we're going to go into the darker brown, which is this one right here. And we're going to put that more on the outer crease. Go ahead, tap it off. Okay, so the next step is the metallic colors, and with metallic colors I usually like to use my finger or use a wet brush. In this case I'm going to use my finger. So the first color that I'm going to go into is this one right here, and then I'm going to put that all over my lid. I try to make most of my, I will try to make most of my makeup tutorials beginners friendly because, you know, not everybody's a pro, and I'll try to make it convenient and fast. So far I only used one brush on my eye. That's literally like my style. I hate grabbing a lot of brushes when I'm trying to get ready because most of the time when I'm getting ready I'm in a rush. So yeah, that's the first color. You want to put that all over your lid. Then I'm going to go into this I forgot there were names on here. This shade is called Casablanca. It's more of a coppery gold. I'm gonna put this right over the color that I just put on. I'm gonna put it all over as well. Okay. Now we're gonna go back into that first brown that we put in our crease. And then we're gonna go back into that dark brown. Just cleaning off my brush. 1 second. So we're gonna go back into this brown right here. And then, cause you know, I did go a little bit out of the lines. So I'm just gonna, you know, blend this back out like this. Now you're gonna go back into the darker brown, to the darkest brown right here. And you're gonna really pack it into the corner crease. I'm using a blending brush, by the way. I forgot to tell you guys. Or did I tell you? I don't even remember. But you want to pack that dark color in your crease. Like so. See? It's coming together. It's coming together. And then, you know, you just do it to your liking. And then you want to clean off your brush again, because we're about to blend. We're about to blend again. So you're gonna blend again with no shadow on the brush, okay? Just blend again, because you know we don't want no harsh lines. I'm trying to look into the monitor and do this. Maybe one day I'll become a pro and do my makeup while looking in the monitor, but I'm not there yet, so blend, blend, blend. Right? Like that, right? Then you're gonna get a brush that looks like this. This one is by BH Cosmetics. It's a number 105 brush. Then you are going to go into the lightest color that I swatched, which is, you're gonna go into this color right here. And you're gonna put that in your inner tear duct and just bring it up a little bit. So you're gonna start right here. See? So it's kind of like you created an ombre effect. Even though this color is more like on the silver side, it gives your eyes a pop. Oh, and put some like right under your brow bone as well. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to put the liquid black eyeliner above our lash line to get ready to apply lashes. Okay, so we have our black eyeliner on. Now I'm going to apply my CoverGirl mascara. This mascara right here. Okay, now I'm going to apply lashes. Now I usually go back in with my liquid black eyeliner over my lash line just to see if I need to touch up any area. Then I take black eyeliner and put some in my waterline, like so. Alright, then I go back in with a with this dark brown right here, and I mix it with this brown right here to go to smudge in the color underneath my lash line, my bottom lash line. It's coming together, it's coming together. Then I take my pencil brush and I go back in with this metallic, with the metallic color right here. And I put that right here. It's basically you're doing the same thing on the bottom that you did on the top. Then I'm going to take some of this. Then I'm going to take this one and place it over that one right here. And then I'm going to reapply the light color. I mean, it's already there, but I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, now I'm done with the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara in black, and it is waterproof. And I'm just going to get these bottom lashes right here. I have to look down for this. This is the lip part. I'm going to be putting on the Kim Kardashian West new red, classic red lip combo that just came out like last week. I'm going to put it on first and then I'll tell you how I feel about it. Okay? Okay. This is what it looks like. This is the lip liner and this is the lipstick. Gonna use both of them. Okay, so this is the red. This is the red with the lipstick and the lip liner. Honestly, I don't like it. I'm very disappointed because I was very excited. I just feel like this red looks really bright. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like almost looks like an orange red. Like if you try to make red a neon color. I don't know if it just doesn't look good on my skin color. I just don't feel like it's a universal red. It's not a red that makes you feel like sexy. It's a red that you're like, oh my gosh, people are gonna be staring at my lips red. So I wanted to try on the whole thing so you guys could see. I honestly don't like how it looks on me. Some of you guys may like how it looks on me. No, it's a no for me. So, but I have an idea what I can do. I could probably tone it down. That's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to take Beat by MAC and I'm going to try to create an ombre. And let's hope it works. Because, alright, here we go. Trying it with Beat Lip Liner by MAC. Okay, so I have on my Beat, and I'm just gonna try to place this in the middle. I hope it works. I don't know. Who knows? Oh, this is so bright. Oh my god. I'm trying to blend the colors together with my finger. Okay, I think think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'll be back. I'm gonna take out my hair and give you the finished Valentine's Day look. Okay guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys love this Valentine's Day look. I hope that you try it. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and follow me on IG. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.